Love and the green will life. Grow it in your garden, harvest from the hills, or take it with your knife. Raising our children right. We are living the green way life.
Kia ora, I'm Dennis,
And I'm Stu.
and middle of winter, nice fine day, so we thought we'd come to the top of the Catlins and cook ourselves a bit of a feed tonight and try out some lovely chili sauce.
We have 2 sauces we're reviewing tonight, as well as some canned haggis, so it's a good review.
Oh yeah, and some mutton birds.
Here we have some Bloodshots from the far north, in Northland, from Kaiwaka. And Dennis has got a...
I've got a Sandy Max hot chili dressing, and that's from North Canterbury, New Zealand. So she's going to be quite tasteful with our food tonight.
Well, welcome back. We've ducked inside briefly to try a new product that we seen the other day when we were wandering through Dunedin the other day. We come across this.
Haggis! Can't beat a haggis.
It's sold in the Scottish shop in Dunedin, just out of the Octagon. So we thought we were going to give this a go, cook it up tonight.
I've eaten many of haggis in my life, but never had any out of a tin. Opening the tin, it just looks like a tin of cat food.
It actually smells like cat food.
Yep, right.
Oh, it's what is it? 45% lamb lobes, whatever that is. Oatmeal, water suit, onion, salt, and spices. Gluten free and everything, so that's got to be good.
Genuine Scottish haggis in a tin.
Yep. So, another way to find out what you taste like, isn't it?
We're going to try it straight out of the tin, and we're going to cook some in the camp oven. So.
Yes, definitely. I probably should go a wee bit much on my spoon.
No.
I think I have.
I think that's good. Hopefully it tastes
Well, my honest opinion, it doesn't smell very appetizing.
good. Oh,
It doesn't look very, but I bet it tastes better than what it looks.
it smells a bit like a mutton pie.
No,
No,
I just got cat food in my brain somehow. But anyway,
looks like prison food.
there's no use mucking about. We might as well give her a go. Cheers, guys. Oh, and you know, believe it or not, it tastes bloody nice.
Nice. It's definitely good haggis flavour.
We won't even bother about cooking it, eh? Oh, that's actually pretty good.
It's actually quite moorish. Quite almost like a porridge.
Yeah, it'd be all
Oatmeal and suet. What is suet?
I don't know. What are lamb lobes? I'm a farmer. I don't even know what lamb lobes are. But anyway, I'll have another go at that.
What is the instructions for cooking?
Oh, hang on, I've got another one here. To cook it, you just put it on a saucepan, heat it, and add a wee. Oh, you go. And you can even microwave it too. 4 minutes in the high.
And add a wee drop of whiskey. I think we should add a wee
For
drop
a
of
real
whiskey.
Scottish flavour, add a wee dram of whiskey before serving.
Oh, we can do that.
We might as well have a dram of whiskey while we're eating it. I'll tell you what, that's actually pretty good. I'd give that 10 out of 10, even though it's not a chili. But hey,
It's haggis.
Stu's going to say a nice Scottish saying. Oh yeah, you got any sayings? No.
Maybe after the end of the whiskey, he'll say something.
All right.
Very good.
Very good. It's going to taste better. We'll see what it tastes like cooked.
Yep.
All right. Now, see you soon.
Max hot sauce. I purchased this bottle of hot sauce in Canterbury at Waimate at the Strawberry Festival, and I got to meet Mrs. Sandy Mack. She was a lovely lady, and she had a whole range of Scottish-based sauces. So
Is that's your name, Sandy?
it's Sandy, yep.
Oh, nice. Sandy Mack. Good Scottish name.
And she's got like a gourmet sauce business going on, and everything I've tried from her has been lovely. So looking forward to popping this and giving it a crack.
We'll be trying that on the haggis and the mutton birds and the whatever else we got cooking tonight.
Well, we got duck breasts with wrapped in bacon as well.
Mutton birds.
But we might try another sauce on that one.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, beautiful. This is actually more of a salad dressing than a sauce, but I think you could use it on everything. Like a
It's got a nice smell. Quite a mustardy smell.
yeah.
Got mustard in it, obviously. Nice. You're looking at the bottle there. It's got nice big chunky seeds and.
Good texture. Imagine
Good
pouring that
texture,
onto a
nice
lovely
and
salad.
thick.
Oh well.
Chin chin.
Ching ching.
All right.
Mmm. Sweet. Mustardy.
It's a nice dressing.
Little hint of chili. I wouldn't say it was overly chili.
No, it's not very hot. Very nicely balanced though. It's not over strong on anything. A nice bit of mustard there. But that definitely would go nice with meat.
It would.
It's definitely more of a dressing than a chili sauce.
Can't wait to try it on the haggis.
Not too hot. Everyone will be able to handle that, all right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Well done,
It'll
Sandy.
go well on haggis.
I'll see if I can find a link to your business somewhere and leave it down in the description. But yeah, very good. Very good.
7 out of 10 for flavour, I reckon.
Yep.
Heat's pretty low. It's nothing to really worry about, but hey, you got to have that wee bit of chilli to zing things along a wee bit sometimes too, I reckon.
Love it.
No, very good. Top work. Sandy.
Excellent. Okay, shall we move on to the next sauce? We've got
Rolling on through. Bloodshot. That's what my eyes will look like if this is any hot enough, I can tell you that. Same sauce in it.
which one do we try? Do we try the hot one or the...
Chili to die for, or they're both the same, aren't they?
no, the two. We'll try the hotter one.
Alright. Well, you always try the hottest one. Alright.
I'll juice her up.
I'm like a little baby lining up for a bloomin'...
Oh, we're going to feast tonight, man.
Excellent. Yeah, spoonering on there, that's the way.
She's,
Whoa! Settle down.
Might have to retake that.
Put that one on your plate. Anyway, silly things you've done. You'll notice it's always my spoon that's always the heaviest one, yeah. You top your spoon up with that, you bugger.
Best served off your knee, really.
Oh, well, chin chin.
Chin chin.
He's mucking about. Chili sauce everywhere. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's an interesting taste.
Tropical taste. A little bit of heat in there.
Yeah, not bad for heat. I feel a wee bit of heat just starting to sort of heat up a wee bit.
I'm planning on...
What's it got in it? Is there anything on the bottle?
I got the ingredients.
It's a nice flavour.
It's basically white sugar, white vinegar, ricotta chilies.
Oh, ricotta chilies.
Yep. So good wee burn.
It's got a wee bit of heat, but nah, that's all right. That's
It's-
good mild sauce.
Very nice sauce. So if you're travelling through the north, look them up. I'll find the link and try and put it down in a description.
Building a wee bit, but nothing too frightening.
We should try the other one while we're here too.
Oh, well, why not? Try and get it in the spoon this time, eh?
Won't spill it all over my trousers this time. Alrighty.
Soak it up with a bit of haggis.
I'm going to, I got wild duck breasts wrapped in bacon over the embers, and I'm going to use this on the outside as a glaze.
Glazing.
And we'll see how we go with that.
Just pour it on there.
Oh, this will be nice.
There's still quite a wee bit of heat from that first one there. But,
Yep, got a bit of a glow on my lips.
yeah, a wee bit of a glow.
Whoops.
This one's a different consistency than the other one.
We were going to shoot this around the campfire, but it's blowing a gale outside. So we come inside the camper
Unfortunately,
to do the review.
winter time in the Catlins.
Yeah.
Anyway, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that one's different.
That's a lovely fruity one, that one. Almost
Ooh.
a Tamarillo taste.
Got a lot more seeds and stuff in it, isn't it?
I reckon that's Tamarillo. There's something differently tropical in that one.
More
No.
seeds in that one.
I'm impressed. They're very, very nice sauces.
They are actually. And they won't. Most people can try them all right. They get a bit of a hoo-ha.
I've got my tolerance for chili is pretty low, so I've got a wee bit of a burn in the back of the throat and the
We've
tongue.
got a bit of building up to do, but we'll get there.
Oh no!
After tonight, I think we'll be right.
So what would you give that for heat?
Oh, that second one there, I'd give that a wee bit more. Actually, I'd probably give that about a 5 or a 6. Actually, I can get a bit of a going on. So
Flavour would be 7 or 8. Again, it was well up there.
yeah, I think so. Yep, you can definitely. I don't know what you put in that sauce, but definitely had a tropical sort of flavour of it.
Yep, I'm suspecting it might be Tamarillo or passion fruit or something like that. I'm not sure. It doesn't actually say it on the bottles. These were the first batches to come out, so...
Oh, nice. No, there's definitely a little more heat in that second one.
Yeah. Oh no, top job, man.
Yep, top job, guys.
And we'll show you later on the food, so...
Take that off the heat, I think, eh? What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Haggis is good to go.
Going in for the kill.
Oh, it looks good.
Oh, doesn't smell like cat food now, man.
Oh, but it's Sandy Mac. It's not Sandy Mac.
Yeah, it is. Sandy Max.
Sandy Max. Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Boom. Coming up. Smells divine. No, nothing wrong with that, is there? Absolutely nothing wrong with that at all. Yum. Mm-mm.
Oh, the old tutu. Look at that, mate. Mutton birds.
Man.
Whoa!
Oh, grease lightning. Come on, eh? Put it on.
Yeah. Beauty.
Nice.
Love and the green will lie. Grow it in your garden, harvest from the hills, or take it with your knife. Raising our children right. We are loving the green